Hello, welcome back to the 230 question challenge, problem solving challenge. Now solving question 31 to 40. Lucy invested 10,000 in a new mutual fund account exactly 3 years ago. The value increased by 10% in year 1, by 5% in year 2, and decreased by 10%. Just set it up, right? Just set it up. Remember, just say 10,000. Try this. 10,000 times 1.1, because 1.1 means 10% increase. 1.05 means 5% increase, and 0.9 means 10% decrease. If you want to think about it this way. 10% increase will now give us 10% increase. 10% increase is 110. 110 divided by 100 is 1.1. The same thing, you do it for 5% increase. For 90% increase, 10% decrease, sorry. 10% decrease means we now have 90. 90 divided by 100 is 0.9. If you multiply this out, you are going to get 10,395. We are going to get 10,395. So this solution is correct. If the quotient AB is positive, which of the following must be true? The best thing to do is set up two numbers. First, look at this. 4 over 1. 4 over 1 is 4. It's positive. Okay, minus 4 over minus 1 is also 4. It's positive. Now, A is greater than 0. Not necessary. B is greater than 0. Not necessary. Remember that these are the same A over B. Okay? Not necessary. A minus B is greater than 0. Not necessary. Like in minus 4 minus, so in minus 4 minus 1 is not positive. The same thing here. But AB is greater than 0. Yes, because 1 times 4 is greater than 0. And minus 4 times minus 1 is also greater than 0. So this is correct. Remember, the key here is just to choose numbers and manipulate the numbers. Next question. The dot on the graph indicates weight and fuel efficiency rating for 20 cars. So if you have read the question, look at what we are looking for. We are looking for how many of the cars weighs more than 2,500. 2,500 weight is here. Draw the line. And again, and get more than 22 miles. This is 24, this is 22. 24 is this line, okay? This line here. Sorry, we need to draw, yeah, this line here. The remaining points are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is correct. How many minutes does it take John to type Y word if he type at the rate of S words per minute? Now, remember, so alright, so you will type S words per minute, meaning 10 words per 10 minutes, and Y words S words per minute. S words per minute. S words per minute. Okay, so how many minutes it will take him to type Y words? Since he's only typing S, he's typing per minute. So if you want to type Y minutes, so it will be Y times S. Okay, what if we solve this? If we are solving this, we need to be careful. First of all, let's solve inside the bracket. 1620 bracket plus 832. Let's solve this. Something is common here and here, and is 16. Many things are common, but we can take 16 first. Then we are left here with 20 plus 32 divided by 16 is 2. So we are left with 8 times 2. Then the big bracket. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 20 is 36. Remember that this is the same thing as 16 times 36. So at this point, we can bring this as the square root of 16 times 36. The square root of 16 is 4. The square root of 36 is 6. 4 times 6 is 24. If you're looking at this, angle on a point is 360. So the one that is this place is also another 150. 150 plus 150 is 300. Out of this 360, 300 is gone. Out of 300 is gone, so it's remaining 60. So what we are looking for is 60 over 360, which is the same thing as 1 over 6. If you are looking at this and start checking them one by one, the only answer that is remaining is this. Most of them you can check the difference between two squares. Remember that this is the same thing as 10y squared equals s squared minus y squared. Now, if you have s squared minus y squared, if you multiply it through by 3, oh, this is 2, I'm sorry. So this is and 2 squared is 4. If you multiply it through by 3, you are going to get this one. If you divide this one by this 10, you are going to get this one. So it's not an answer. So we are looking for the one that cannot be. Again, if you take minus 4 and add it to 10y squared, so you are going to get this. So it's not. So it's mainly only this one. Okay, of course, this one is the one we already have. If you multiply this by, say, 2, you are going to get 20 here, 20 here, and you are going to get that 2 times s, 2s times 2. Again, that is 4. So this one cannot be. This is correct. If one take 11 seconds to run y yards, so you can put it this way: 11 seconds over y equals, how many seconds will it take him to run s yards? 11 seconds to y yards. Okay, seconds is up, a yard is down. Yard is the denominator. So now we are looking for s yards. Yard is the denominator. So what we are looking for is z. How many? So z is in seconds. So let's evaluate z. Remember, we are going to have 11s equals yz. Z is what we are looking for. So z equals 11s divided by y. This is correct. John has 10 pairs of matched socks. If he loses 7 individual socks, what is the greatest number of pair of matched socks he can have left? We are looking for the best, not the worst. Since he lost 7, the best thing can be is that, let's say they are blue, 1, 2, blue, green, 3, 4, yellow, 5, 6, white, 7. That means 4 is gone, because even the one that is remaining is not up to a pair. So he is going to have how many left? What is the greatest number of pairs of matched socks? So he's going to have, we have 6 pairs left. 6. Remember, the key is to knowing that we are looking for the best scenario. What's the lowest possible positive integer that is divisible by each of the following? From 1 to 7. The thing here is that all the numbers from 1 to 7 can divide 420. You can try them. 420 divided by 1 420 divided by 2 up to 7, all of them can divide, and it's also the lowest, so we have selected it as the correct answer. That's all for now. So next time we now solve question 41 to 15. Thank you. I'll see you soon.